will and parachute all the guns of the force. Get ready. Airborne from skies up the canyon, we're going coming. Make your jumps and take your bows today. Let's go put on your boots.
With your grip, your handle design. All right, are you ready? All right, timers, are you ready? All right, cutter, 1, 2, 3, go. Oh, he's making some good deep cuts. Let's see how he continues on. He's making some good ones. He's halfway through. He's halfway through. I want to check his lanyard. You're going to do it. Yep. Yep, hold it. His board is actually chopped. You're good. All right. It's really important in these events to have a lanyard and secure nicely. Good cut. Good cut. You got it, Jesse. You good. Good. Good cut. Good cut. That's a very difficult cut right there. That and the water bottles are the two wild cards. All right.
And fight, we will, and parachute all